me the phone, okay? Morning everyone, happy Fridays. I'm Cindy. When you go running or do some workout, do you bring your phone and headphone with you to listen to the music or receive call? If yes, when you're doing exercise, where did you put those stuff in? If you don't have a pockets on your dress, like girls may wear leggings, or even if the pocket may be too small, or you might not feel comfortable to put them in when you're doing exercise, right? Okay, here we have a product. It's called arm bag, which you're able to hold it on your arm. So you see here, there's two pockets. You can put your phones in. And headphones. Keys, money, or other small stuff. Go for it. Okay, and hold it on your arm. Alright, so it's pretty tight and secure. You're not worried it may lose when you're doing exercise. And it's very convenient for me to take the stuff out. For example, if I'm taking a break, I just take my phones out easily. Here you go. Alright, so don't you think it also looks kind of cool on your arm? Alright. This is today's live. If you like this product, click the link down below to get more information. And have a nice weekend. Bye!